Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aarti and today I will be talking about diet in winter season according to Ayurveda. Chilly winter weather affects your body to a lot of extent. Our body starts experiencing changes in energy levels, metabolism and even food preferences. You may react to a bitter winter by skipping your gym or exercise and convincing yourself that you deserve a calorie intake to warm up. But the truth is that no weather warrants unhealthy food eating habits. In winter, our body starts storing more fat to keep itself warm and prevent from cold. On the other hand, our body also tends to be inflamed easier, leading to diseases like flu, flaring up of skin and respiratory disorders, viral infections, as well as metabolic disorders. A lot of people think that our weight goes up in winter season as a seasonal thing. But in real, we are usually less active in winter season due to cold and we stay indoors longer, leading to overeating and less movement. It causes weight gain in most of the people. So winterizing your diet can be healthy and tasty by adding some favorite cold weather foods. Maintaining a balanced diet with lots of green vegetables, seasonal veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, oil, complex carbohydrates and unsaturated fats is suggested diet throughout the year. But here are few tips according to Ayurveda to maintain a healthy and robust diet this winter. During winter, the most important thing is to keep your immune system strong, and people are most susceptible to viruses, cough, cold and flu and also inflammatory diseases. We need to focus on zinc and iron as essential components. They help in maintaining a strong immune response. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, vegetables like beetroot, baked potatoes, seafoods like fatty fish, lentils and whole grain enriched breads are some of the best sources of zinc and iron. Try to inculcate natural superfoods like moringa, which is very high or very rich in iron and vitamins, which keeps diseases at bay. Drumstick, which is the fruit of moringa, can also be added to your daily diet and can prove to be a great supplement of calcium and vitamins. Moringa is useful in variety of ailments like anemia, arthritis, rheumatic pains, asthma, constipation, because it is a good stimulant for digestion. It helps in preventing stomach problems like gas, bloating, etc. Talking about superfoods, you should also try to consume at least one amla regularly. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C and also contains gallic and ellagic acids that are beneficial for skin and hair care. Collagen buildup is triggered by amla, leading to long, healthy and lustrous hair. Also for skin, it is helpful in reducing blemishes, dark spots and wrinkles. We should consume more citrus fruits like lemon, lime, oranges, which have a lot of vitamin C and which are rich antioxidants and work well to keep our immune system intact. We usually feel lethargic and tired in winter months due to shorter days and colder weather. Increasing your uptake of milk, eggs and cheese will provide you with healthy dose of vitamin B12, which reduces fatigue and feeling of tiredness. Sesame seeds could be of great protein nourishment to your skin and bones during winter. They are good source of fiber and vitamin B. They are good source of energy due to high content of fat. If you feel especially cold in winter, you should eat more root vegetables like garlic, radish, carrots, sweet potatoes, sesame seeds and flax seeds. They offer slow release of energy in body and also work as warming foods. Make a nice saute with mix of these different root vegetables in a little bit of ghee and spices, and you will have an amazing side dish full of essential warming nutrients. Spices like ginger and turmeric are best anti-inflammatory and antioxidants that help in preventing oxidation and also are antibacterial in nature. Ginger is known as Vishwa Bheshaj, that means it is helpful in curing variety of disorders. Gingerols are also the main bioactive in the ginger, which work as anti-inflammatory, prevents growth of cancerous cells. Turmeric is also a best known herb to prevent various infections. It helps in reducing respiratory disorders, skin elements, acts as a blood purifier, aids digestion. It helps in warming and keeping yourself energetic. It helps in building up your healthy immune system. Black pepper is also an useful spice that prevents gas formation in stomach, relieves indigestion, promotes gut health because the condition of your gut bacteria is directly linked to your immune system. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels, helps to control blood sugar levels, increases absorption of nutrients. Ghee. Try to inculcate ghee to your diet or meals on daily basis, especially during winter season, as there is a lot of dryness and desiccation outside in the air as well as in the body. Ghee will bring moisture and warmth inside your body. Ghee is loaded with antioxidants which boost immune system by increasing body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. Since we are indoor, it is best to avoid sugar-laden foods as they are neither good for energy or for our waistlines. When you consume a lot of sugar, there is sudden rush of energy for a short while and then there is crash, which we don't want in cold months. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey. Honey can be used as a salad dressing with a little bit of chili for kick, in milk or as a topping on different foods. Honey is warming in nature and has host of natural micronutrients which help in improving immunity as well as well-being. People with diabetes shouldn't consume honey in winter, however, without consulting doctor. Another way to stay healthy, warm as well as nourished in an enjoyable way is to consume dry fruits. Dry fruits like figs, dates, raisins are packed with vitamins, essential micronutrients and have a healthy fats and they fulfill your sweet tooth as well. You can make a powder of mix of dry fruits and add it to milk to make a delicious warm milk. It will keep you warm, nourished as well as give essential energy, especially when you are feeling sluggish or tired. Spices are a way of life in India and spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, ginger will help you keep warm as well as healthy during winter season. They are packed with rich antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which will keep you warm and energetic. Some of the foods to avoid in winter, especially if you are susceptible to cold or allergic reactions, are if you are already having cold, avoid eating histaminic rich foods like dairy products, tomatoes or cheese, as they lead to increased mucus production and inflammation, leading to increase in severity of conditions. Avoid deep fried foods as they increase inflammation, and oil doesn't help irritation in throat either. Hot milk is a favorite of a lot of people as it gives sharpness to the mind and warmth for a while. Avoid coffee to some extent as caffeine causes increased urination and may lead to dehydration. Finally, drink lots of water. In winter, the colder and drier weather inhibits sweating, so we do not feel thirsty as we would feel in any other season. So try to drink a lot of water. Aim for at least 3 liters a day. This will keep not only your throat and mouth hydrated, but also it will hydrate your skin and reduce dryness of the skin. So follow these tips and this will lead to a warm, healthy and happy winter.